Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download the West Bengal electricity bill payment receipt. So this is a very simple and easy process to download the electricity bill payment. So you will only be able to download the bill once you have completed the successful payment through any online portal. It can be like any kind of UPI like PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm, Freecharge, anything, or any kind of net banking services, something like that. So you must have to first have a successful payment through any online portal, so that then you will only be able to download the money receipt from online. Okay, so this is a very simple process. First, what you need to do, first go to the any browser. You can do it through your mobile phone as well. Okay, so in the search bar just type www.wbsedcl.in. this is the official website of West Bengal electricity bill. So basically I forgot to tell you that I am showing you only for wbsedcl electricity, not any other electricity bill, right? So after entering the URL, just keep on enter. So the home page will appear in front of you like this. All right, so once the pages appear in your mobile or PC, so you will find this kind of pop-up on the right hand side. All right, then just click on the download payment receipt. Okay, so after clicking on the option, you will be able to see this kind of pages, right? So here what you have to do, select type. You can choose your consumer ID or application number. It is better to use the consumer ID. All right, you will find it in your bill receipt. So click on consumer ID. Consumer ID basically the 9-digit unique ID. It is a unique ID for every biller. All right, so after choose the consumer ID, click on that 9-digit unique ID. So here I am entering my ID. All right, so after entering that, you need to put the captcha over here. So just put that whatever it is mentioned here. All right, after putting that, just click on proceed. So I'm telling you once again, that is, you will only be able to download the money received from here if you have successfully make a payment through any kind of online portal. Otherwise you will not be able to download it. Okay, so after entering the proceed option, you will find two buttons here. That is, one is for successful payment history and another one is for the pendings or failure list. So what I need is for checking the successful payment history. And one more thing, please make sure to keep it in your mind. After making the payment through any online portal, make sure to open this website 1 hour later. Then you will be able to find it. Minimum 1 hour. All right, so click over here. After clicking this option, you will find all the list of the payment receipt. All right, so it will show you the number of payment you have made through online portal, and after that you will find a PDF sign on the right hand side under the view, under the view header. So click on any of the option that you want to download. So I'm just clicking on that option. Click on here, just click on that option. So a PDF will appear in front of you like this, and just click on this download option. And after clicking this, you will be able to find this is the bill receipt. You can print it or you can keep it as a soft file to you. So this is a very simple process. And once again, this is only for wbsedcl customer, not for any other customer. So this is all about in this video. So I will catch you guys on the next one. So till then, stay tuned guys.